Hi, everyone. We are back with SKALE code and Dapp updates, and we are covering today product and marketing. We are covering some really exciting stuff in product updates. Also, Chadwick will walk us through SKALE product roadmap, explain how open source product roadmap works and how you guys, the SKALE community, can submit ideas. And then we will go into marketing and we will go in SKALE community and we'll talk about new listings, community growth worldwide, and a total staked volume of SKALE in SKALE Network as of this moment. Okay, so let's begin. And Chadwick, please tell us about the product updates and walk us through SKALE product roadmap.
Yep. Hey, everyone. So our product roadmap is online. So feel free to visit the roadmap at skale.network/roadmap. And here you can see everything that is planned or in progress or has launched by the SKALE team. And here are different cards that you can interact with. And you can see how they're different organized around different product or modules for the SKALE network. And feel free to submit an idea here by clicking this button, explaining any features or things that you'd like to see in SKALE network. And you can submit the idea to the team and we'll get that reviewed. And then any of these cards here, you can get more details about things that are, again, in progress or planned. For example, integration of skill chains with the graph. You can leave some insight as to how important this is to you. Chainlink integration. We've been working with partners to enable Chainlink oracles on SKALE chains themselves. And then down here, you can see other feature requests by the validator or delegator community, like one on partial and delegation, and then one on the SKALE network in general around community governance. So feel free to explore around these two tabs of planned in progress, leave feedback on the cards or submit new ideas. It's all welcome. And as well, these are more product features. The team is arguably working on tons of other stuff in the background. And so to get that, you can easily go to our GitHub repository. So github.com/SKALE network. You'll see all our open source repositories here. So to get an idea of the things that we're working on, you can click into any of the repos here and then see the issues or pull requests that we're currently working on. And feel free to engage with the core team that way as well. So those are two easy interactions to see what the team is working on. But yeah, product roadmap might be something that a lot of external communities and token holders might like to see and see what's in the pipeline.
Yeah, that's great.
So,
and Chadwick, this roadmap is exactly the same massive roadmap that you guys and the engineers are working on. So these several items are what gets surfaced to the community, and the amount of items on SKALE product roadmap on engineering side is hundreds of items, all calendared out and all meticulously planned, right?
Yep, correct. So we've got tons of internal roadmaps, but this is the external facing one that I think just covers all the things that we're planning on to release. And this is a snapshot of some of them. So I'm actively filling and populating this with the other things that we have in sort of our long-term roadmap. But this should reflect a lot of things that have been communicated before. The advantage of this is that it's real-time updated. And one of the big features that everyone's been waiting for is the skill chain deployment on mainnet. So the team is in an internal state of readiness, finalizing testnet and mainnet upgrade procedures. So stay tuned for this deployment soon.
That's great. And for SKALE chain deployment, everybody who wants to know more, last week on YouTube, on SKALE blog, there was released a demo recorded by Jack and Stan, which gives an overview of this functionality, which explains how performant SKALE chains are, and which does, so the demo covers medium scale chain and large scale chain, both fully decentralized, both ran on a large number of nodes and supported by constant rotation of nodes. So very enlightening, really great, just technical demo, engineers showing what's going on with the network. Go in previous week, take a look. So done with product overview, and into a couple marketing updates. So we've recorded our previous Code and Dapp updates just one day before Coinbase listing announcement went out. So I'm very happy to touch in these Code and Dapp updates. I'm very happy to touch on two important listings, the Coinbase listing and the Gemini listing. Both happened in March and both got SKALE community very excited and just really massive, really important, huge support from all over the world. So next things that I wanted to talk about are the SKALE total value locked. As of today, SKALE is locked at the total value of $2.5 billion, which gets the network into the, SKALE is one of the most well-secured networks in POS as of now. SKALE is really high on staking rewards. I checked this morning, it was number 14, and we are recording this on, what's the day today? March 23rd, the 23rd. Tuesday, right? So you guys please follow it, support across the network. So today the total value locked is $2.5 billion, and really high level on staking rewards. So the next SKALE community globally is growing. And this is driven by important technology releases. This is driven by important listings. And this is also driven by phenomenal work that SKALE ambassadors are doing globally. In early March, we have launched SKALE Telegram groups, so SKALE communities in 16 new languages. And the SKALE ambassadors speaking these 16 languages have joined SKALE Extended team. So these people are doing phenomenal work, creating content, translating important tech content in all those local languages. So the list is on SKALE website, super easy to get to. It's on a rotating announcement bar right on the homepage, and it's of course on the blog. So you please join the communities if you speak languages other than English. So the communities have been growing at a phenomenal speed, and there is a lot of written and video content that covers SKALE in all those languages that's appearing already. So what we will be doing starting next week, we will be doing AMAs in all those languages to support the growth of the groups and bring them into the biggest communities in all those regions. Again, updates will be published on SKALE Telegram, updates will be published on SKALE Twitter, SKALE blog. Please follow the news, it will be there right as it happens. So, and the next, so again, recording this on Tuesday, the 23rd, 2 days from now, SKALE is doing the early token holder AMA. On Thursday, the 25th, Stan and Jack will do the early token holder AMA. Please ask your guys questions. The announcement is already on SKALE blog. The announcement is constantly gets reposted to SKALE Telegram. So please sign up for the event and ask your questions in the list. We already have massive number of really great questions. Add your questions. We do our best to get to them or to group them. And also we will do, so everybody who asks great questions will get a SKALE t-shirt. So make sure you ask a question and make sure you also join an AMA. So, and the last really important piece, we started releasing very valuable tech content that explains how SKALE Network and Ethereum work together, and specifically how SKALE is an Ethereum orchestrated network. It's the only Ethereum orchestrated network where the multi-chain environment is secured and orchestrated on the Ethereum blockchain. So first content piece of this series is written by SKALE's CEO, Jack O'Halloran. The article is published on SKALE blog, and you can get easy access to it through SKALE, through the homepage of SKALE website. The article is called SKALE plus Ethereum Mutual Value Capture. Please go read it. It's phenomenal. And it gives you a really deep understanding of how SKALE approaches Ethereum scalability in a very new and very interesting, fully decentralized way. Okay, so this was it for SKALE Code and Dapp updates. And these are the last coded NAP updates of March, and we will see you guys again in April. And I am sure just as much exciting new stuff will happen.
All right. Thank you all. See you soon.
Great. Thank you, Chadwick.
Ciao.